guys, welcome back to the Luxy Hair channel. I'm Jillian and today I am showing you 4 easy DIY hair masks made with super affordable ingredients that you can probably find in your kitchen or at any grocery store. They're super quick and easy to make. My favorite thing about these hair masks is the entire routine takes less than 20 minutes and they're super potent, so they have a bunch of nutrients to solve any of your hair problems. So whether you have frizzy hair, dry and itchy scalp, split ends or damaged hair, or oily hair, we've got a mask for you. Just keep watching. If you suffer from frizzy hair like me, grab these items from your kitchen and get started. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and 1 banana. Slice the banana and combine all ingredients together by mashing until they're blended well. You'll then apply to dry or damp hair from top to bottom and leave it on for about 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing it out. A few bonus tips when using hair masks that I like to use that make my hair mask even more effective. Part your hair down the center, making a clean part line, and start applying your mask here, first down the part and on your scalp. Then use your fingertips to massage the product into your scalp. Bonus head massage, who doesn't love that? Then tie your hair up with a towel or shower cap to leave the hair mask on. This way you can go and do other things while you wait for your hair to soak up all that nourishment. Okay, next up is a hair mask for those with a dry hair or a flaky dry scalp. Perfect for winter time, am I right? You'll only need 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar for this one. Just mix the sugar and oil together and then apply to your hair. I like to focus this one on my scalp to exfoliate the dead skin cells and really hydrate my dry roots. It's like a scalp scrub. Leave this one on for 15 to 20 minutes. P.S. If you make extra, you can also use this DIY mixture as a body exfoliator in the shower too. Okay, so if you have damaged hair that needs some serious attention, this DIY deep conditioner is perfect for you. All you'll need is half an avocado, 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Just mash and mix all of the ingredients together in a bowl like this till it basically looks like guacamole. Then on damp or dry hair, you can apply the mixture from top to bottom. Leave it in and let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then just rinse it out with your regular shampoo and conditioner. And here's the results. Depending on how damaged your hair is, it's a great idea to use a hair mask once per week. Alright, last up is a hair mask for oily, greasy hair. When my hair is feeling extra greasy, I'll take 1 egg. Let's crack that. Take out the yolk and squeeze half a lemon into the egg white and mix until smooth. Same thing here, apply the mask to your hair, focus it on your roots to really address that grease. Leave on for 30 to 45 minutes and then rinse out with shampoo. And there you have it guys, 4 easy and affordable DIY hair masks that are great for any and all your hair issues. Alright guys, that is it for today. Make sure to comment down below with which hair mask you're most excited to try, or let us know how they work for you. Give this video a big thumbs up if you love easy DIY hair care, and be sure to subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.